Hi guys, I am so excited to share my newest exclusive listing with you. Why? Because this is a rare opportunity to own one of the best located condos in Tamarindo, Costa Rica. We are steps from the beach. We are walking distance to everything. Also, we are one of the largest condominiums on the market. This is a 3-bedroom condo with a sprawling floor plan. It also has one of the largest principal bedrooms that I've ever seen in a condo. Do you need more? We're newly renovated. We have a resort-style pool, and we have stunning ocean views that you can enjoy every day from your oversized terrace. Guys, give us a like and subscribe to our channel, and let's check out this condo. Hi guys, Sarah Breitlander here with KRAIN Luxury Real Estate, and do we have a treat for you today? We are in the middle of everything, and we are a large, amazing condo. Come on in. This one will go soon and won't last long. I was so excited to be asked to represent this condo. This is the stuff that dreams are made of. Why? Because we are in the middle of Tamarindo, Costa Rica. This is where everyone goes on their Guanacaste vacation, which is recently named by Forbes as one of the top 10 vacation destinations that you need to be in 2026. No one goes to Guanacaste without going to Tamarindo, and no one goes to Tamarindo without wanting something like this in the heart of town. So it's a really great 3-bedroom condo, nice and large, and as you can see, it's newly renovated. So I'm just so excited for so many reasons about this condo. Look at the colors. They've done such a nice job. I love this color blue, and it matches so well with the white and gray tones. I love this black hardware, really sharp and crisp look. All new tiles here, as you can see. Really, really great. And of course, we have dishwasher, stainless steel appliances. Behind this beautiful teak sliding door is a very large laundry room, and they have all their beach toys, chairs, coolers, just a really great setup here. And they installed all of this. So storage, you will see throughout this condo, tons of storage and just tons of space, which is extremely rare for any condo in Costa Rica, but certainly in Tamarindo, because real estate here is so precious, right? I love this breakfast bar here. These pendant lights just really add a nice glow, and I think these are so stylish, this nice wood here. Also, let's talk about the wood for a minute. I love these baseboards, the trim, and this blonde teak. Really nice. Again, just a ton of storage, all the shelving here. We have linen closets, we have it all. Also, keeping with the nice wood and the nice calming hues, beach tones of gray and white, we have a nice large dining room table here. We also have an outdoor dining room table as well. So you have indoor seating for 6 and outdoor seating for 6. Then you just come right through here. Tons of seating. Everyone can gather around, watch the big flat screen TV here, and of course, your steps from the ocean views. And I just want to take a minute. This is set up as a KRAIN vacation rental. It rents, as you can imagine, so very well. So it could be a great income source for you, for rental income. And then they have all the books and the games here for people to use as they enjoy this beautiful rental. So you have sliding glass doors out here. Here's the outdoor dining I was telling you about. And then of course, look at the views. Isn't this great? This is all covered out here. This great oversized terrace, right? And then I love the position of this condo in the development. So we are in Sunrise development. So this is one of only 2 developments in Tamarindo that I would consider best location, meaning centrally located to all the shopping, restaurants, and steps from the beach. One of only 2 developments in all of Tamarindo, so that are the best located in my opinion. And then this condo is the best located in my opinion in the development, because you have this straight on view of the water and the ocean and the resort style pool. So let's go back this way because I want to explore more I love, look at this full-on shot of everything. It's calming as you walk in. Everything brand new, hard to beat this. Linen closets, everything nice and organized. Come this way because I want to show you, let's do that. I want to save that for last because you're going to be blown away by the size of the principal bedroom. But look at this, this is nice. I love that it overlooks the beautiful green trees here. And then this is just great, just beautiful accents of teak throughout. And again, the owners have just made an abundant, they love to come down and then when they leave, they lock it and leave it. They don't even bring their toothbrush. I think their toothbrush is here somewhere. So this is all the owners' lockouts, and then you still have this for your guests, right? Here is the second bedroom. Look how pretty this is. I love the colors. They're incorporating the rainforest colors in here, and it's so nicely done. Just so comfortable for you and your guests to enjoy. So these two bedrooms share this full bath, and I just love the renovation. So sharp, so nice. So because this is one of the best located developments in the area, obviously, you know, it's very high demand for the Sunrise development is what I'm trying to say. But one of the objections is that, you know, it's been here for a while because it was one of the best first, back when you could choose anywhere you wanted to be in Tamarindo, this was one of the first options. So I love that the only objection we have to Sunrise condos is usually the age of the interior condo, and you don't have that objection here because this has been just gut rehabbed and everything is just beautiful and lovely. So that makes me really happy. It's totally turnkey for you guys. Now we're in the principal suite and I want to show you this amazing bathroom. You absolutely do not have 3-bedroom condos of this size in the Tamarindo area. Nice large bathroom for you like this. And then, look at this. Look how large this is. This is crazy big. I mean, they have a king-size bed and a couch and a desk and, you know, dressers, and it's still nice. You could fit more in here if you wanted. So I think this is great. And I love, again, just tons of storage. Really nicely done. The blinds come down so you can have it as dark in here as you want, or look at all this natural light that is in this principal bedroom. And another reason I like it is because you can wake up, look at the ocean, and step right out here, and now you are back to this beautiful terrace. This is where you're going to be spending the majority of your time. If you want to take some time away from the condo, go for a walk. Go for a walk on the beach. Look for sea glass. Go to all the shops that are literally just down the street. What an amazing location, and quite honestly, an amazing, adorable condo, and big enough for all of you and your friends and family to enjoy. If you like this, give us a call. Tell us you would like to see Sunrise 19. I can't wait to hear from you. Ciao for now, and Pura Vida.